Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. Just wanted to show you guys one of our finished products. This is an '01 Toyota Tacoma, obviously a double cab truck. So we listed this truck on our website a few months ago as a project that we are currently working on. And the truck came in as a two-owner with about 50 service records on the Carfax report. Everything was in amazing condition other than the paint. The top of the fenders had the typical thinning of the paint. Same thing with the hood and the roof and the top of the doors. So obviously we weren't just going to paint half of the truck. So we went ahead and decided to repaint the entire truck, and that sort of led into, well, we'll do the flares and now we'll add new bumpers. So during the process, about week 4 into the process, we actually took a deposit on the truck. That's how many of our vehicles get sold well before they are completed. And so we didn't, we have some progress pictures up to a certain point. We didn't continue with progress pictures on the site because we already had a deposit on it. So this is just going to be a final walk around. Essentially what you're seeing, the back tailgate, yes, I know, doesn't have badges. The paint is still curing, which is going to take a couple weeks to do so. But essentially the exterior has been fully redone. New paint. We completely refinished the wheels as well. Fender flares were repainted, side steps. It's got a new front bumper, the valence pad, headlights, tail lights. It's getting ready to get picked up today to go to the new owner. Check out those wheels that have been completely refinished. Multiple coats of clear coat as well. We refinish belt moldings. We do a lot more than what we always set out to do, especially even if something's been sold. This was sold, and there's a lot of work that we did that we didn't charge the customer for, but we just wanted it to be that nice of a truck. We also put a brand new bed liner in, which wasn't a charge to the customer. We stocked those here, so he was great to work with, so we decided to do a couple extras for him. Brand new rear bumper and cap as well. Freshly painted flares with all new molding and seals all the way around. Inside was very clean to begin with, very well kept by the previous owners. We just did a thorough detail, just to get everything nice and tight for them. Keep in mind, guys, we always have Tacomas in stock. For example, we have 2 there, 1 there, there's some behind there. We always have them in stock, although they're not on our website. We have a tendency to work on them for a while before even doing pre-listings. So if you go to our website, davisautosports.com, and you don't see anything on there, make sure to shoot us an email. We'll let you know what we have sort of working on. And sometimes we'll do some pre-listings early on as soon as we get something, but we're so busy here that, you know, we're often working on a truck like we did this for 3 to 4 weeks before we even put it on our website. So, and once they go on the site, as this one did, they go really, really quick. So make sure to visit our website, Davis, D-A-V-I-S, autosports.com. Thank you.